Today's recipe is a simple, high-protein blueberry cheesecake protein smoothie. With just 6 ingredients, it's a quick and easy recipe that you can whip up in less than 5 minutes. If you're looking to satisfy that blueberry cheesecake craving without consuming a bunch of calories and sugar, this blueberry cheesecake protein smoothie is just for you. Here's how to make it. We'll add all of our ingredients into a blender jar. Start by adding 1 cup of frozen blueberries. You can use fresh blueberries as well, but be sure to rinse them first. Add 1 scoop of your preferred protein powder. This one is a vanilla whey protein powder. Half a cup of your preferred milk. I'm using unsweetened vanilla almond milk here. 5.3 ounces of frozen vanilla Greek yogurt. If you use plain Greek yogurt, consider adding a bit of your preferred sweetener. 1 ounce of cream cheese. I'm using cream cheese from a block, but you can use whipped as well. And finally, 1 tablespoon of flaxseed. This is optional, but it adds some extra fiber to the smoothie. Place your lid on your blender jar and then place it on the base of your blender. Power it on and blend until it's smooth. Once it's done blending, take out a cup or glass and pour your smoothie into it. This is optional, but you can top your smoothie with some whipped cream, flaxseed, and additional blueberries. And you're ready to serve your blueberry cheesecake protein smoothie. This recipe makes about 16 ounces. You can make it ahead of time and enjoy it later as a post-workout drink or an on-the-go breakfast. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.